first things first, I'm going to mark out my mistakes so that you don't repeat my mistakes, okay? So in red, not good, 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 okay? The mistake stops at part B because that's when I know that my answer does not make sense, and that's when I go back and reread the question and noted that in blue. This bit is extremely important, okay? Because it tells you what n means. When I made my mistakes, I assume that I know what n means, okay? Obviously, my assumptions are wrong. So, n is the number of kilograms of tomatoes that a customer buys in one bag. So, basically it means that when the question says that what is the revenue that the shop owner receives from selling 8 kilograms of tomatoes in one bag, you don't have to split up the first 2 kilograms and do 5.4 times 2, okay? And then do 6 kilograms into the second equation. All you have to do is to go, okay, 8 kilograms is between 2 and 10. So the formula to use is the middle one, the 10.8 plus 4 brackets times n minus 2, close brackets, okay? So substitute 8 into n, like what I've done here. Then you should get the answer of 34.8. Now, part B, a revenue of 46.8 is received from selling 12 kilograms of tomatoes in one bag. This is a proving question. It asks you to show that A is equals to 42.8. Now, when you do show that questions, you don't start with the answer already given. You don't start with 42.8. You still do the questions as if the second sentence does not exist, okay? So 12 kilograms is between 10 and 100. So the equation to use is the last one, the A plus 2 brackets n minus 10 close brackets, that one. So as you can see on my setting out, all I did was I substitute 12 into where n is, and at that point you can use the cas solve function to solve it. I did it by hand, and I've proved that A is equals to 42.8. So if you have to use the solve function on your calculator, the first equation, I'm going to now label it with blue again so that you see, okay? The first line is important, this line, okay? Once you've done that, just put a note. Solve using cas, okay? And A is equals to 42.8. It's a 1 mark question. I believe that that should be acceptable, okay? So make sure you have the line that I've underlined in blue, and then make a statement. Using the solve function on my cas, A is equals to 42.8, okay? That proves that the answer is correct, okay? Now, part C. Find the maximum number of kilograms of tomatoes that a customer can buy in one bag so that the shop owner never makes a loss. Now, this is slightly trickier. It's 2 marks. Wow, it's so hard to earn 1 extra mark, isn't it? Now, the way I've done it is I use deduction, okay? So based on the answers from part A and B, I know that when they sell 8 kilograms, the guy is still making a profit, because the cost in blue, I'm circling it now, the cost for the shop owner, oh my bad, it's not a guy, it's a girl, okay, she bought the tomatoes for $3.50 per kilograms, yeah? So at 8 kilograms, all you have to do is to think or use your calculator. 8 times 3.5 is $28. It costs her $28 to buy 8 kilograms of tomatoes to resell, and she made 34.8. 34.8 is bigger than 28, so she made a profit, okay? Now, when she sells 12 kilograms, okay, 12 times 3.5, $42, okay? Now, $42 is the cost of the tomatoes. And when she sold it, she got 46.8 back. So she's making a profit. Okay? Now, that tells me that the first equation, I'm going to use black again. I've run out of color. I only have black, red, or blue. Okay? The 5.4 times n and 10.8 plus 4 and so on, those two equations guaranteed under those circumstances, whether she's selling 2 kilograms or up to 10 kilograms, in fact up to 12 kilograms, she's still making a profit. Okay, so the solution for question C lies in the final equation, the a plus 2 times n minus 10 one. But since we already know what a is, we know that a is 42.8, so we start off with trying to equate using red, equate using the equal sign, right? On the left hand side, 3.5 times n, that gives you the cost of the tomatoes. Okay, when the cost equals to the formula to generate a revenue. Okay, when cost equals revenue, that means that the shop owner break even. She may not make money, but she definitely did not lose money either. Okay, so that would be the thing. Now, so then you can use your CAS calculator to solve it, or you can solve it by hand. If you solve it by hand or CAS calculator, you should get 15.2 kilograms. So if she sells up to 15.2 kilograms, she will not lose any money. Okay, but if she use the formulas that she has and sell, let's say 16 kilograms, if you put that into your calculator, you'll see that when she sell 16 kilograms, she'll start making a loss. Okay, if this is not super clear, come and have a chat with me later. Okay.